Click on the link below to get price. The eAhora M1P Electric Trike is a remarkable blend of performance, comfort, and user-friendly design, aimed at adults seeking both leisure and practicality in their transportation. Equipped with a powerful 2000W brushless motor, this electric tricycle can reach speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, making it a viable option for commuting or leisurely rides. The acceleration is impressive, providing a thrilling experience without compromising stability, thanks to its sturdy three-wheel design. One of the standout features of the M1P is its high-capacity 60V battery, which offers an admirable range of approximately 40 miles on a single charge, depending on weight load and terrain conditions. This extended range eliminates the anxiety of frequent charging and allows for longer excursions without interruptions. The charging time is relatively short, typically around 6 to 8 hours, which is convenient for daily use. The comfort factor is significantly enhanced by the trike's ergonomic seating and adjustable handlebars, accommodating a wide range of riders. The wide rear seat provides ample space for a passenger, making it an ideal choice for couples or families. Furthermore, the suspension system is well designed, absorbing shocks effectively to ensure a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. Safety features are thoughtfully integrated, including front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, contributing to overall rider safety. In terms of design, the eAhora M1P boasts a modern aesthetic with an appealing color palette. The frame is robust yet lightweight, making it easier to maneuver while providing the durability needed for various terrains. The inclusion of a rear storage basket adds practicality for carrying groceries or personal items. Overall, the eAhora M1P Electric Trike for adults is a well-rounded product that delivers on its promises of speed, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're commuting in the city or enjoying a weekend ride, this electric tricycle provides an enjoyable and efficient way to travel. With its powerful motor, impressive range, and user-friendly features, it stands out.